I grew up on hamburgers, hot dogs, and bologna sandwiches, cornflakes for breakfast, and fried chicken for Sunday dinner. But I never thought I would be eating some of the things that I've been eating in the past 10 months. Likewise, I never thought I would actually like some of the things that I've been eating. Welcome to the Philippines, where it seems that almost no part of an animal goes unused. I love chicken, called manok in the Tagalog language, so much so that my girlfriend Maribeth suspects I will soon grow wings. But eating chicken is a totally different experience in my life here. First of all, I have no idea how they cut up chickens here, because you never seem to get a piece of chicken meat that doesn't have a small bone hidden in it somewhere. It's as if they just hack up the poor bird willy-nilly. Now, that's not to say the chicken here is not delicious. It is, and chicken adobo has quickly become one of my favorites. I've posted a link to a recipe below in the description. But since coming here, I've eaten chicken feet, chicken intestines, chicken livers, and I've liked it. I've eaten pork, called baboy in Tagalog, and plenty of fish. Tilapia is my favorite, and there's a ready supply here as aquaculture is very prevalent in this vicinity, with commercial fish ponds all around this part of the island of Luzon. The second most plentiful fish is bangus, also known as milkfish. It's much bonier, but almost as tasty in my opinion. Also from these brackish inland waters come shrimp and oysters, also a welcome addition to my diet. At one occasion, my Filipino family served duck, and that was pretty good. In the Philippines, they also have a very popular street food that I jokingly refer to as pre-duck. It's called balut. It's a fertilized duck egg that's been allowed to develop inside the shell for 14 to 21 days before it is steamed or boiled. In my barangay, I can hear the balut guy nearly every night honking his bicycle horn as he pedals up and down the street, selling this Southeast Asian delicacy. I vowed never to eat that disgusting looking street food, and I kept my vow for the 10 months. However, last week I was egged on, pun intended, by my daughter to try it. Let's watch.
Okay.
It's a good taste.
Delicious.
Huwag ka ng spoon yan eh.
Ito lang, ito lang.
Then we put this tomorrow.
Try.
Ito ng kilikili.
I never get to the membrane.
Little more?
Yeah, more okay.
It's more difficult than you'd think.
No, nothing?
Yeah, I'm getting the soup now. All over me too.
I know, I did the same thing. I was like, am I just messy? Okay. Makes me feel better that you did that as well.
Okay. All right, now I open it up more. Okay.
So good. It's
Yeah.
delicious.
So almost able to never try. First time to try.
Just about that much.
Oh, yeah.
Don't blom it.
Sabi mo, ano?
Oh,
Oh,
boy.
you got it in one bite.
I got it all in one, yeah.
Nice. You'll love it. It's so good. It's delicious.
Good taste. A good taste. Like
What?
what?
That's not bad.
Not bad?
But not good for the high blood people in Philippines. Yes.
I did it.
My neighborhood has no sit-down restaurants per se, but there are several street food vendors, several of whom I consider friends. When I feel like an afternoon snack, I go to see Jones for a few squid balls. In the heat of the summer, I will walk up the street to have my friend Grace make me a milk tea. That is a sweet treat, but even sweeter and more colorful is a dessert called halo halo. It is made from shaved ice and milk with a little ice cream, several types of fruit, and sweet beans. Now the carinderia is the Filipinos' fast food fix when you're out in the barangay. It is little more than a food stall with a small seating area. And it's located either on the roadside or maybe at the public market. Maribeth and I went to one our last trip to the market. We had 2 orders of palabok, which is a noodle dish, a total of 3 lumpia toge, they're similar to egg rolls, and 2 Mountain Dews. Our total bill was just $2.90. Oh, there have been some other food adventures. It is traditional and a sign of Filipino hospitality to bring out food when someone visits. And that's afforded me the opportunity to try new things. A friend served eel. I have to admit I'm not a fan of that. But she also served some delicious tidbits of marinated and cooked meat. I had just popped my second or third one into my mouth when my friend said, "Oh, that's horse."